How do you actually escape viewer jail, 10K viewer jail? Now, as you can see, this is my channel, 50,000 subscribers. A lot of these videos have hundreds of thousands of views, 600K, 300, 200K, 200K, 100, 100, 100, 100. There's a lot over 10K, 70, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. When you make a channel, this is what you want. You don't want your videos to be inconsistent. Like one gets 5K, one gets 2K, one gets 10K, one gets... And the 10K barrier can be quite difficult, especially to consistently get over and over and over again. So this is why you're stuck in 10K view jail. The main thing is that you don't have a niche picked. Now, if you do, that's awesome, but most of the time you don't actually have one. You also don't know how to make good videos, and YouTube isn't pushing out your videos to the right audience, the audience that it needs to. So how do you actually fix all of these problems? By the way, this is my channel. As you can see, getting views, subscribers, money. This is all on the side. Look, 36,000 views in the last 48 hours. Not even trying that hard. I can get this to 100,000 in the last 48 hours. But I'm just busy. I'm doing this while working full time. Now, if you want to get out of view jail, especially 10K view jail, sub niche down. The more specific you go, the better. Like if you look at this channel, yeah, it's Islamic stuff, but look how specific it is. It's specifically Islamic refutations, refuting the satanic verses, refuting this guy, refuting this guy. It's not just Islam now, it's specifically explaining questions people have and specifically refuting people in the Islamic space. So the more specific, the better. You know, if you talk about, I said this before, SpongeBob, then you want to talk about SpongeBob specifically theories and then explaining them. Or if you talk about, you know, whatever it is, if you do real estate, you can specifically talk about, you know, the next big bubble in real estate or whatever it is, or like, you know, the next big thing in crypto. Specifically talk about one particular thing. It's good. You can talk about it all the time. The second thing is the idea. Your idea is garbage. You need to research an idea. Now, even all of my ideas now, if we go on like some of my latest videos, a lot of the time I have the idea at the top of my head. You know what I mean? Like, for example, the poem Christians Can't Answer, why the Quran is different, you know, how to memorize the Quran. This one has 92,000 views, and I made this in 2 minutes. I literally had a 30-second idea in my head, and I did it. So I can come up with things naturally every day. Whenever I'm just thinking of something in my head, I can talk about it. So if you need help with that and you're not too sure, just research your niche. So quite literally, just look up, if we look up like Islam, and we just go here, and we can just go to newest videos. So if we just filter, let's go to relevance. Actually, we can just go through here. How Islam began in 10 minutes, Christianity versus Islam, you know, things like that. My video even comes up. But you can just go through and find, and then click on a channel, 7 levels of being a true Muslim. All right, let me click on this guy, and let's go through his channel, right? And let's see, this one only has 800 views, 5K, but this one has 139K. So clearly there's something going on here. And try to, you know, is there something you can take away from that? So you need to research the actual idea, put effort in, don't just talk nonsense. The third thing is you want to upload a lot. Now, also, if you need help researching the idea, join my school program, Creator Club. Link in the description. I can help you get to 1,000 subscribers personally. Obviously, I have the experience, and you can see the amount of views, subs, and everything I get, so I can help you out here. The other thing is upload. You need to upload a lot. So YouTube isn't pushing out your videos to the right audience. Why is it doing that? Because the way YouTube works, let me go back to my channel. I'll just explain how it works. A lot of people don't actually understand this. So YouTube works based on metadata. Wow, people will blame the algorithm and say, oh, my video is not getting views because the algorithm, because this, because that. That's all garbage. The point is YouTube wants to make as much money as it can. It wants people to stay on the platform and watch videos. Now, if your video is good, your video might still not get any views. And if we actually go to my oldest videos, these videos back in the day only had like 50 views, 200, 500, like started doing better, 200. Obviously it has a lot more views now. But you need to understand that, look, once you've picked a niche and once your videos are okay, you've researched the idea, you've got both of those things, which I had, it's just about uploading a lot. Like, look at these. It's basically the same video, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of these are refuted style? 8, basically 12, 16, almost 20, right? Let's say around 20 videos, which is the same thing again and again and again and again. Around maybe the 15th video, around here, so 4, 8, 12, after like 10, 15 videos, that's when they started really picking up. For YouTube metadata, honestly, if you upload around 30 videos, that's a number that I've seen and I agree with is the right place that you want to be in. So what does it mean, metadata? It just means that YouTube doesn't even know what your videos are or who the audience is. So that's why it doesn't get views even if the video is good. But the more you upload, YouTube will see your tags, it'll see your videos, it'll see the type of stuff you're making, it'll see your titles. Eventually, YouTube will understand the category you're uploading in. It'll automatically, as well, like AI or whatever, track the video. I don't know how they do it. I don't need to know the science behind it. But once you upload the more videos, about 15, the minimum, and 30 is the good. The more, the better, honestly. If you've got 40, 50, 60 videos. But once you hit that 30 video mark range, YouTube will then realize, oh, this guy makes, whatever videos. This guy makes videos about what specific thing in weightlifting calisthenics. It will put it out to the exact correct audience every single time. So they don't just have to search for it. Your videos will come in their homepage. But again, you don't get that on your first video. Now, some people might do it, but it doesn't matter. For the general rule, you need to be able to upload it heaps. You need that metadata. Just get like at least 30 videos out there. And then once you have the right niche and you've researched the idea, you're going to do better. But if you need help more in depth than that, I also do one-on-one coaching as well. And I can help you out personally. But yeah, I just want to help you get out of 10K view jail because it is hard out there.